Welcome to another segment of ACRP TV. Today, our spotlight is on ACRP's Diversity Advisory Council. My name is Michael Causey. I'm the editor-in-chief here at ACRP. We're very excited about this initiative. We've been talking to many of the members about their hopes for the council, but also to get some background on them. And with us today is one of those members, Lutheria Hollis, who's the Director of Clinical Research with the Tallahassee Neurological Clinic. Lutheria, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So, hey, let's jump right in. I love you're in gear, you're ready to go. But tell me, how did you find out about clinical research as a career? There's so many different paths. It's such an unusual career in that there's no clear entry point for so many people. How did you find out about it?
Well, I kind of just fell into it. I answered an ad. I was looking for a job. I had finished my coursework in respiratory therapy. But at the same time, I kind of realized that it wasn't necessarily the career path that I wanted to follow. So I was about to get married. I answered this ad and I applied for this job. Had not heard anything about clinical research. But when I got there, I realized it was something different. So it was a family-owned company. And I went there and I loved it. They trained me. I stayed there for 19 years. It was a surgeon who had been doing clinical research for many, many years. He ran a phase 1 unit, and he also had an outpatient center. So I actually worked in the outpatient center, and I actually worked on the weekends sometimes and helped in the inpatient center. So lovely, lovely family. We were really a family unit there. I did everything from slim fast studies to Raglan studies, blood pressure studies, stayed there for 19 years, went on to work at the University of Miami Sylvester Cancer Center, where I worked for about 4 years, then went on to help start up a neurology practice, left there and went to work for a oncology practice in Gainesville, and then helped start them up, and then also came here and helped them kick off their neurosurgery practice, and have been here for 9 years. So I've been in clinical research for about 34 years.
That's amazing. I was trying to do the math in my head because I heard 19 years, 4 years, 9 years. So 34 is the total and counting. So you've been in the field a long time. One would assume you like this field. Why have you stayed in clinical research? What about it is so exciting?
Well, you know what? I like it because, you get the opportunity to see drugs, devices, products start at the beginning, actually, evolve from, phase 1 all the way up to phase 4 and 5 and post-approval. And then you actually see products that, actually help people. I've seen oncology medications, actually cure patients. I've seen hypertensive medications actually help people. And I've seen drugs, evolve over the years. And it's a great feeling that you get when you see things like that happen.
Fantastic. Can't ask for more than that, and rewarding work. So let's talk now about ACRP's Diversity Advisory Council. You're part of it. It's a fairly new entity. I know you all have had some meetings. You've got some plans going, some initiatives, some things brewing. But maybe if you could, just broadly speaking, talk about why you think this DAC is so important right now and your hopes for it.
Well, you know what? Diversity in the workplace, and especially in healthcare careers and in research, is very, very important. A lot of people are passed over, looked over, their careers are not advancing, and we have some great, intelligent, smart people in a lot of different careers, but especially in research. And we need a council like this to help advance, push, and elevate people that may be looked over. So this is why this advisory council is so very, very important.
Fantastic. Well, we're going to follow up in a couple months and check in on your progress and hear about milestones. Looking forward to hearing what you all are achieving.
Yeah, we're doing some great things.
Oh, fantastic. Can't wait to hear more about it. This has been our ACRP TV spotlight on ACRP's Diversity Advisory Council. We've been speaking with one of the members, Lutheria Hollis, who's the Director of Clinical Research at the Tallahassee Neurological Clinic. Lutheria, once again, thank you so much for joining us and everything you're doing out there.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.